Hi, everybody. So I feel like there's one thing that's a little confusing about these art therapy lessons this week. And it's how to actually get the little spiral shapes started inside the boxes or whatever shape it is that you're using. So I'm going to choose the box because I think that's the easiest one. I would say if you're having trouble, start with the box. Watch the other videos. If you want to pick one of the other more complicated shapes, do it. But if you're stuck, do the box. They look cool. Actually, here, I'll show you. I've been working on this one. You can see they look cool. I got a little ways to go yet. I got to finish. So let's go back to this. So how do we get these spirals going here? I'm going to start down here in this lower corner. Come on, focus camera. Okay. Come on. You bear with me here. All right. We're going to go up towards this corner here, but we're not going to hit the corner. We're going to be a little bit off. We're going to go a little bit to the right of it. Okay. Now when I come across here, instead of getting right to that corner, I'm going to aim for a little bit off as well. And that's really what we're doing. We're just missing the corners. And then back. So what starts to happen is I start to create this sort of like skewed box inside the box, and it's just going to keep going. So now I'm aiming for this corner, but I'm going to miss it. This corner, but I'm going to miss it. And just going to keep going around and around. Go slow. I'm going faster because I got a little rhythm going here, but go slow. When you get down here to where it's starting to get real small, eventually you can just kind of stop, and then we can have that centerpiece be just black. Because that actually looks really cool. Now in the shade, what we're going to do is each little, it forms like all these little long triangles, right? So what we're going to do is each triangular section, we're just going to start dark at the back end of it. And I'll keep the shading to the shape of a triangle. So it's going to be skinny at the top, and then it'll widen out a little bit at the bottom. If you remember when we did the cone way back when, we did a similar type of shading. And then I'll just fade it out. And I want to have some white. So I'll leave some white at the edge. And then the next one I'll start dark at the back end. And then just go and fade it out. Little secret to this one is you don't even have to be perfect with your shading for it to look good. As long as you get some nice dark right at that edge, it'll look cool. And you keep going from there. And eventually it turns into that. Have fun.